The $9 million system only $2 million plus practices use. Most plastic surgeons will never see this. If your plastic surgery practice is already doing well and you're serious about the next level, this is the system. If you're just getting started, bookmark this and come back. For most practices, marketing is a cost. For elite practices, it is a predictable revenue engine. Systematic ad programs can generate significant revenue, with some practices seeing returns as high as 29-1. This isn't luck, it's a defense against the industry's brutal patient acquisition cost, which averages over $600. While smaller practices ask, did we get clicks? The $2 million practice asks, what was our cost per booked tummy tuck? In this video, we will decode the entire evidence-based system, the metrics, the channels, and the compounding strategies. So where does this transformation begin? It starts by changing what you measure. Stop tracking impressions and leads. Elite practices take it a step further. They track patient lifetime value. Knowing a Botox patient can become a surgical patient. Knowing your PLV changes everything. It justifies higher initial acquisition costs and proves the return on investment of retention campaigns. This data-driven view is not isolated. It's a multi-channel system where paid ads and organic search work together. Think of your marketing as two engines running in parallel. The first is your direct response paid acquisition engine. The second is your long-term asset, the organic compounding engine. So how do you build them? Let's break down the paid engine. The single biggest mistake in paid ads is sending traffic to your homepage. A $2 million practice builds dedicated landing pages for every single procedure they advertise. The second component is surgical keyword precision. It's not just about bidding on rhinoplasty. It's aggressively blocking irrelevant terms to protect your budget. Finally, the paid engine aligns with reality. Ad scheduling stops you from spending money when your staff can't respond, preventing wasted ad spend and operational strain. That's the paid engine, precise, measurable, and aware. But relying only on paid ads is like renting your traffic. How do you build an asset you own? This is the organic compounding engine, powered by SEO. A blog post published in January can still generate free consultations in July. The goal of content is to build unshakable authority. Patients find you because you are the expert, not just because you have an ad. A huge part of this engine is reputation. Actively managing patient reviews can cut your acquisition costs by up to 20%. And what is the most powerful content you own? Your results. A quality before and after gallery is highly persuasive. The next evolution, visibility in AI. Optimizing your content for generative search is the new frontier for a compounding advantage. So now you have the two engines, paid and organic. The critical insight is that they are not separate. They work in synergy. But even with perfect traffic from both engines, there's a massive leak in most practice funnels. What happens after the first click? First, accept reality. The patient journey is long, often 6 to 12 months. Someone researching a facelift today might not book for a year. This is why retargeting is not optional. It keeps you top of mind with valuable content during that long decision phase. And for those who inquire now, speed and structure are everything. A top practice has a documented, automated intake protocol. This entire system is built on a foundation of discipline. HIPAA compliance, for example, is a constant process with major financial consequences. We've covered metrics, paid ads, organic content, and intake protocols. Now, let's put it all together to see how the system works. Remember the organic content engine? It creates the fuel for your retargeting campaigns. A blog visitor now sees a related video testimonial. Recall how proactive reputation management lowers acquisition cost? Those 5-star reviews are placed on your landing pages, increasing ad conversion. This entire system feeds the ultimate metric, patient lifetime value. As your organic engine grows, your acquisition cost falls and profitability soars. This is how those high returns become possible. It's not from one lucky ad campaign, it's the result of a fully integrated system. The $2 million practice doesn't see marketing as an expense. It sees a system of interconnected assets that predictably generate revenue. The model is evidence-based, measuring what matters. It's multi-channel, and most importantly, it compounds building value for years. The first step is to stop asking, what did we spend? And start building a system that answers, what did we produce? You've seen the problem. Now see exactly how the top practices fixed it. Click the video on the screen now.